Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, what's the difference in size between ISO image file and DLA image file for compact discs or DVD Blu-ray discs, or general images for preserving them onto your hard drives? So this is the difference. Size of image. DA type image, you see the size, and this is the size of general ISO image. So this ISO image is not compressed, so the size of the folder has the same 9 gigabytes, 280 megabytes. And DA compressed them very drastically, and the time to make image DA and to make image ISO is the same, probably 1 minute more or 2 minutes, not much more. So this is such a difference we have. Now I will show you when I am going to compress DA and ISO type of images, and we'll see the difference between them. And that's what we get after compression of the highest level of DA file, or even ISO file can be compressed, so we will get the same results. This is the result. So DA without compression 7 gigabytes, and with compression 6 gigabytes, 680 megabytes. So drastically compressed. What else I can tell? Talking about such a program as Advanced Installer, Architect, which builds setup files, exe files, install files. So you are losing too much time with this, because with any other program you will lose too much time, and the time of compression will be about 40 minutes. Here I had max compression 45 minutes. So here to create this one 25 minutes and 45. So 2 times of this. But after decompression, took almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm going also to try decompression for this, and I'm going to tell you what the result will be. And the transfer rate and the transfer speed time, when we just want to mount this DAA image, we copy this folder to program files, for example, or whatever location. So the time was only 20 minutes. And regarding any different setup install builders, as the example I show you this one, as this is the most perfect. You need to spend time to insert data, to integrate the registry if you need, to add folders, to pass menu, to create all this stuff. It's time, but let's take no notice as that. But consider the time. Here the transfer rate to unpack the install, install your thing. It took too much time 1 hour and 30 minutes. Here, to extract this compressed DNA DNA image, it took only 20 minutes. So here we lost a little time to compress it 20 minutes more or 25 minutes more than in, for example, Advanced Installer Architect. But here we gained too much time. Here 1 hour 30 minutes, and here only 20 minutes. And regarding, for example, 7-zip or RAR or zip format, you need to extract it visually. Then you need to copy. Then it will be copied to your folder. So not 20 minutes, but probably 45, 50, or even 1 hour it will take. So DA format compression is the best thing. Here talking about the difference between compressions. So for example, maximum best compression of LZMA2 maximum compression with this program, or probably any other program will be the same more or less. It took 400 megabytes less than here, but 400 megabytes less, but you gain too much speed to make this file. You don't lose time to integrate all the stuff, to prepare menus, all the stuff, visuals and all the stuff, and you win at uncompressing copying, as it will be only one operation. What is more, you can edit this file and add file to this. So it's not 7-zip, it's not RAR, it's not zip. It will be 3 times more. Here you can edit it and it will be much less time. Even talking about Advanced Installer, it will be almost about 20 minutes more. But you can add freely without thinking, without noticing, just drag and drop or open and add files. In Advanced Installer Architect, you will need to spend probably 3-5 minutes to add these files, to recheck everything and to clip to recreate your setup installer. So glorify the God.